If you are checking out this Sally Hansen 2-in-1 cuticle nail treatment, let me show you how super simple this is to use on yourself. Now, I used to be a nail tech and I always stress the importance of cuticle oil just to maintain a healthy nail bed. So I saw they have this little pen that has a lid on it that I could easily throw in my bag or travel with. I knew I was going to have to grab it. So let me show you the end of this. It has a little ceramic end and you'll notice it's slanted kind of like lipstick. Putting it on your nail bed, it's slanted to be able to fit right next to that cuticle. Now I currently have acrylics on, and even with that, I'm able to take this little end and start to gently, with that little ceramic tip, start to push back that cuticle. A very gentle pushback. Little ceramic tip then helps erase that cuticle that remains on your nail bed. Just like so. You'll even actually see a little bit of the dust residue here. And then here at the end, you're going to start to turn it, and you're going to actually see some oil come out here right at the end. You can see that it's starting to wet that little ceramic end. So then you'll want to, whoops, drip some. Then you'll want to still go in and do the same motion, really getting that cuticle oil right there near your cuticle line. And then something I always like to do then is just kind of massage it in my entire nail bed all around, really giving it some hydration, really hydrating my nail bed, just like that. Gentle on your nail beds. So if you're looking for a product like this, I definitely recommend.